Hello everyone. You have seen a lot of videos that are claimed to be AI generated. So we thought, why not we teach you how do you generate videos that look and sound like you, all using just AI. And then we will also cover how do you automate this entire process so every day you can keep sharing videos that can go on social media without you doing anything. Watch until the end to understand how this actually works. Let's get started. To begin, go to HeyGen.com and create your account. It'll ask you a few basic questions, just answer them. And we're going to see how do we generate these videos with free account, right? So you can see here, create something new. We have photo to video with a avatar 4. We have quick avatar video. We have translate video. We have create your avatar, product placement, and a lot more. What we are going to try today is create your avatar.
Create an instant or lifestyle avatar with HeyGen. Here's how to film it right. Choose a background that is...
You can see that there is a walkthrough video for you. Okay, there are 5 steps involved. So let's click on get started. Now, footage instruction, use the right equipment. Okay, submit 2 to 5 minutes, at least 30 seconds of unedited footage with a professional camera or smartphone. Set the right environment, look straight ahead and keep your head level. Okay, as we can see, this is not what they want. This is what they want with good lightings. Okay, and of course, when we speak, we need to be looking straight into the camera with as though we are talking to audience, right? Speak naturally and clearly. So you don't have to sound differently and so on and so forth. You just have to be natural. Okay, and we also have expressive natural motion. Okay, so if you normally do your hand gestures and stuff like that, you can do that. Okay, keep it to minimal because in the free plan, the avatar understanding with gestures is slightly on the downside. Let's click on next. So here we can upload the footage, we can record via webcam, or we can record via phone. Okay. So I'm going to record via webcam. Okay, turn on cam and mic. So my cam is on and it should also have my webcam. Allow while using visiting site, allow this time. I'm going to allow this time. So you can see that it has come here, okay, with green screen. So whenever you are watching the video, it will be with a proper screen. That's because our editors does the wonderful job. But now I'll record with green screen, and whatever background you're going to edit with, you will get the video in similar fashion. Okay, so I'm going to, let's make it as portrait. So let me click on record and I'm going to talk some random things, right? So just maybe our journey of how Read 7 started, because I'm not prepared for this particular thing. I thought I'll upload, but let me show you how this works. Record a video, freestyle. We encourage you talk without script so that you look more natural and confident. Tell us about yourself, right? Tell us about your hometown. Deliver a product update, introduce your business, or giving a training lesson. So I'll probably speak about myself, okay, or maybe freestyle, like talk everything together. I'll hit the record button and I'll speak about myself, my journey and my college, whatever it is, right? Keep in mind that when you are recording, please look at the camera. Okay, that's when audience will feel that you are looking at them and speaking to them. Okay, so I'll click on record and we have a few options here. I'll go with freestyle. I'll just keep randomly talking. Hello everyone, I am Ritesh Hegde. I am from Hubli, Karnataka, and I finished my engineering in electrical and electronics, and I was working with Kirloskar Electric for a year before I shifted to Robot Bosch. I did my PG diploma in embedded systems, and that's how I got into Bosch. I was with Bosch for close to 3 years. I got an opportunity to travel to Japan and stay there for 6 months, learned a lot from them. And after that, I shifted to Continental and I stayed there for more than 5.5 years. And I got opportunity to travel to Germany thrice, via which I traveled to 12 other countries, and it was great opportunity. But I wanted to start something of my own, and that's how Reach 7 was started. So I'll click on done recording. Okay, you can see the recording. Keep ambient sound in my recording. Okay, if you want, your voice could sound more natural with subtle ambient sound. Okay, we can keep it. Normalize volume of my audio. Okay, so if you have spoken low, then it will normalize and so on and so forth. AI background removal will be available only with their paid plan. Okay, and 4K resolution again with paid plan. So we are going to check how free plan works, and that's why we will just go with this normal things. Let's go to next. Now, one of the things that we'll have to keep in mind is that we are creating something that is not real. Okay, what I mean by that is it look as though we have spoken, right? And that's why it gives us, it asks us for verification, where we have to record ourselves talking. Okay, so you can see here, okay, this is the script that I have to record. And for that, I'll have to click on start recording. Start recording. Again, same thing, whatever is written, we have to read out. I, Ritesh Hegde, Crit7.com, hereby allow HeyGen to use the footage of me to build a HeyGen avatar for use on the HeyGen platform. For safety purposes, this is the passcode SAEW. So click on finish recording. Okay, so it is validating your our consent. So basically what it will do is it will check if the person who gave the verification and the video that we have uploaded matches or not, right? And like we can see, it can take up to 10 to 20 seconds. Your consent is validated. So let's click on next. Video quality, well-lit environment, expressive facial movements, camera is stable, maintain same position in frame, a mouth visible at all times. Okay, strong background contrast, subtle body movement, only one person in forefront. Okay, there is one warning which says at least 2 minutes of footage. So if we give them 2 minutes of footage, then they will be able to generate better avatars, better videos of ourselves. Okay, so that's the only warning that we have got. But I'll click on submit. So our avatar has got created. Okay, your avatar look is being created. So it's actually getting done. So click on done. What do you want to name your avatar? Okay, let's call this as Ritesh Self. By creating an avatar, I confirm that I'm over 18 years of age and so on and so forth. You can read through and then click on continue. Okay, so it's 4% done. So while this is getting ready, so if you go to voices, then we have a lot of voices available. You can also filter from here. Okay, like male, informational, informative and educational, if it's middle-aged and so on and so forth, basis which you can actually play and see.
Here's how I sound.
Right. Again, it is obvious that it will not be matching to your voice. Okay, now if you go to avatar, your voice will also be generated, as we can see here. This is coming from the video that we have.
Here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar videos to life. Hey there, here's how I...
Okay, so again, this does not sound natural, but that's okay, right? We'll have to use 11 Labs or something else to make it sound even more natural. Okay, HeyGen does not have as good voice modules as we would have liked, at least for us Indians, right? So let's go to avatar and we can see here. Let me just play this.
Hey, Ritesh Hegde, Rit7.com. Your digital twin is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy. Hola, Ritesh Hegde, Rit7.com. Tu digital twin está listo. Intenta crear videos con él. Además, haz clic en el botón de comentarios para compartir lo que piensas. Espero que lo disfrutes. こんにちは、ライテッシュヘグで It's7.com さん、あなたのデジタルツインが準備できました。ビデオ作成を示してみてください。また、フィードバックボタンをクリックして感想を共有してくださいね。楽しんでいただけると嬉しいです。
I don't even know which language was the second one. I know that the last one was Japanese. I've learned a little bit of it. Anyway, so we can edit the look from here if you want, or we can create with AI Studio and so on and so forth. Now for today, let's leave it at this. So we have just created our avatar on HeyGen, and in tomorrow's video, let's see how do we automate the entire process of generating videos that can go live on YouTube without us being involved in it at all. So do not miss tomorrow's video, and we will showcase how this entire process works. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.